Hello to Cisco's Board of Directors. My name is Balin Shao, and before I start, I would like to thank everyone who contributed to making this presentation possible. Furthermore, let's jump right into the company's recent financial performance. From 2016 to 2017, Cisco saw a decline in revenue generated from products. In other words, the sales of hardware like servers, routers, and switches fell a little over $1.5 billion. By the end of last year in 2018, Cisco was able to recover its hardware sales by growing $1 billion in revenue generated from products. Although this growth is considered a positive, the income from products in 2018 was still about $500 million under the revenue generated from products in 2016. Considering the company's loss of earnings by products in 2016 to 2018, Cisco's total revenue generated in 2018 was still $80 million more than generated in 2016. So, the question is posed. How did the company grow $80 million in total revenue from 2016 to 2018, but its main source of revenue in products was negative compared to 2 years prior? To realize Cisco's growth in recent years, we must first look at the revenue generated from services. From 2016 to 2017, the company generated over $300 million from services. And in 2017 to 2018, the company would follow suit with around $300 million in that year too. Even though the company's earnings from products takes up more than 60% of the total revenue generated, the revenue growth from Cisco's services are massive compared to the stagnant, if not negative, growth of its products. This analysis brings forward a company-wide issue. Over the last 3 years, Cisco's revenue generated by hardware has been decreasing as services such as software technology gains in popularity. In light of this pressing issue, I propose that the company innovate a new Cisco proprietary operating system that builds upon its existing software to create a uniform platform that is easy to use, like Windows or Mac OS, but is unique to the Cisco experience. This operating system will follow the existing Cisco iOS functionality, while bringing a fresh, intuitive interface. Cisco's new iOS is meant to be easy to use for new customers while luring existing customers to a brand new Cisco experience. The company-wide uniform operating system will function as a hub to access Cisco services, as well as an entry point to configure Cisco hardware. To ensure that Cisco iOS grows to optimize everyday use and simplicity, I would suggest that the company reuse its graphical user interface of existing services such as Cisco Umbrella. The reutilization of Cisco Umbrella's interface will save both money and time for the company. Now, in regards to funding, I propose that some revenue spent on product sales be reallocated to this project. I suggest this because financial growth from products has been exceptionally low in the past years, and there would be a substantial more return from a new future iOS system than any more hardware today. If research and production of the new Cisco iOS was to start at the beginning of next quarter, Q3 of fiscal year 2019, then I would suspect the service will be available for use by Q3 of fiscal year 2021. Cisco Umbrella's graphical user interface will act as Cisco iOS's front page, and in time will be recognizable from customers and non-customers alike.